A plane vanishes without a trace, no distress call, no wreckage. No survivors, just silence. And it didn't happen once. It happened again, and again, and again. In a place where the ocean seems to swallow everything whole. They call it the Bermuda Triangle. But what really happens there? Stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this mysterious patch of ocean has long been blamed for the disappearance of ships, planes, and hundreds of people. Some say it's cursed. Others whisper about alien activity, and a few believe it's something far more terrifying. But here's the question no one can fully answer. Why do so many things disappear here without leaving a single clue behind? And what if the truth isn't what we've been told? The story begins in one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Warm waters, clear skies, heavy traffic. On the surface, the Bermuda Triangle looks completely normal. But its reputation didn't come from imagination alone. In 1918, a massive U.S. Navy cargo ship, the USS Cyclops, vanished. Over 300 people on board, no SOS, no debris, nothing. It was as if the ship had been erased from existence. Then, in 1945, something even stranger happened. 5 U.S. Navy planes, known as Flight 19, took off for a routine training mission. Everything was normal, until it wasn't. Mid-flight, the pilots began reporting something unusual. Their compasses were malfunctioning. Navigation systems completely unreliable. One pilot's voice crackled over the radio.
Mayday, this is Kilo 902, nav's down hard, we're flying blind in the soup, requesting vectors or anything.
We don't know where we are. Everything looks wrong. The sky felt distorted. Then, silence. All 5 planes disappeared. And it didn't stop there. A rescue plane sent to find them also vanished. 6 planes, gone. No wreckage was ever found. That's when people started asking, what kind of place can make entire aircraft disappear? Over the decades, theories began to pile up. Some believed the Bermuda Triangle was a portal, an opening to another dimension. Others pointed to aliens, suggesting extraterrestrial forces were abducting ships and planes. Then came the legend of Atlantis, the lost underwater city, its advanced technology somehow interfering with navigation systems. It all sounds unbelievable. But here's where things get interesting. Scientists didn't dismiss the mystery. Instead, they started investigating. And what they found was both fascinating and deeply unsettling. First, compass variation. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where magnetic north and true north can align or shift unexpectedly. That means navigation systems can give false readings without warning, but that alone doesn't explain everything. Then there are the storms. This region is known for sudden, violent weather. Massive waves can rise out of nowhere, some towering over 100 feet high. Imagine being caught in that, with no time to react. But even that doesn't fully explain the disappearances. So what else is hiding beneath the surface? Deep under the ocean floor, scientists uncovered something shocking: massive deposits of methane gas. When released, these gas bubbles surge rapidly to the surface, and when they do, they change the density of the water itself. In simple terms, ships can suddenly lose buoyancy and sink almost instantly. No warning, no time to escape, and it gets worse. If a plane flies through a methane gas cloud, the engines can stall. Instruments fail, the aircraft falls out of the sky. Suddenly, those unexplained disappearances begin to make sense. But here's the twist. Not all cases can be explained this way. Some incidents still defy logic. After decades of research, investigations, and analysis, the truth about the Bermuda Triangle isn't supernatural. There's no solid evidence of aliens, no proof of time portals, no lost city controlling the ocean. Instead, what we're looking at is something far more real. A deadly combination of natural forces, unpredictable weather, magnetic anomalies, powerful ocean currents, and hidden geological activity beneath the sea. Together, they create one of the most dangerous regions on Earth. And when things go wrong there, they go wrong fast. Today, thousands of ships and planes pass through the Bermuda Triangle safely every year. Modern technology has reduced the risk. GPS systems, advanced forecasting, better navigation tools. The mystery isn't what it used to be. But still, not everything has been explained. Some disappearances remain unsolved. Some stories don't fit the science. And maybe that's why the Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate us. Because deep down, we're drawn to the unknown, to places where logic breaks down and mystery takes over. So the next time you look out over the ocean, remember, there are still parts of this world we don't fully understand. If you want to uncover more hidden truths and cinematic mysteries like this, subscribe to Reality Doc's Decode now.